afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. John Belkowitz here, Intelligent Concrete. We're going to have some fun today doing a little mathematics here, calculating the water to what? The saga continues. We did a problem like this the other day on our YouTube channel, focusing on water cement ratio and how to calculate that. We're going to take a step further today, breaking it down into for a concrete that has more than one type of material in the binder component or the binder composite. So our total binder here is 600 pounds per cubic yard. Our total water is 240 pounds per cubic yard. Our materials, the percents that make up the binder, 80% of the binder is Portland cement, 15% is the Class C ash, and 5% is the titanium dioxide. Now, when we break it down for the first one, Portland cement makes up 80% of our binding matrix. So 80% of 680 is, 480 pounds per cubic yard. Now, we're going to put 15% on top of that with our supplementary or secondary cementitious material, our Class C ash. So altogether, 80 plus 15% is 95%. 95% of 600 is 570 pounds per cubic yard. And finally, as we learned earlier, we want a total binder component. Now, we got to add that 5% from our titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide having an inert capacity, or doesn't have those chemical reactions that you're going to either see from our Portland cement, the hydraulic reactions, or our secondary cementitious that we see from our C ash. And then if we had an F ash in there, a pozzolanic reaction, that titanium dioxide is going to be inert. And of course, we had a total binder package of 600 pounds per cubic yard. Now here's the fun part. Now we've got to find out what our different ratios are. And the first one, our WC that we traditionally use, our water to cement ratio, is going to be that 240, that total water over our 480 pounds per cubic yard. And that turns out to be 0.50. Does that look like a... There you go. 0.50. And then after that, we do our water to cementitious, where we're taking into account either our supplementary or our secondary cementitious material. Here we had a Class C ash, a secondary cementitious, and with that addition, we had 570 pounds per cubic yard. So if you do 240 divided by 570, gives us 0.42. It's a little bit close there, that's all right. And then our last is our water to binder, where we're adding our inert material, our titanium dioxide, to give us a total weight of 600 pounds per cubic yard. And if we do 240 divided by 600, we get 0.40. So, hope you learned something today. Let us know if you got any concrete questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete. Beat asphalt.